Hi, this is Chloe. I'm an AI assistant calling on behalf of Close. Ready to see how I work?
Chloe has like a power dialer that can talk. There's a power dialer happening behind the scenes in your workflows all the time that can actually have a conversation. That is next level.
We used to have a lot of cold callers not doing things properly, but we can handle anything.
She was listening to everything I told her about like qualifying people on complex mortgage and tax products and like learning it instantly. You couldn't get that anywhere else. You've been training a human being.
I had her up and running from start to finish in less than 2 hours.
We're not doing it to replace people. We're doing it so that the people we have are unlocked to do more.
Anyone that's like scared or that their clients are even going to be upset or turned off by it, don't be. It's doing nothing but affecting my bottom line in a positive way.
Your competition is going to be using this technology.
So hold up, before you go, is this AI? My jaw dropped.
Chloe is truly different. I legitimately believe that she is the future of AI marketing.
That sounds like the most insane thing in the world, to be honest with you. I'm pumped.